Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to make an infinite carousel loop in Webflow. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So as you see right now, I am the webflow.com. Now you can head over to another tab and then just search for infinite carousel loop Webflow. Now you can see all of these search results right here, but I want you to scroll down until you can see this infinite looping carousel with built no code. So you can click on this particular one, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see this. So this is actually a template made by this person, and you can actually clone it. This is the infinite carousel loop that we're talking about in this case. So for this one, let's click on this clone in Webflow. Then once you have clicked on that, it will prompt you to log into your Webflow account. If you don't have an account yet, you can actually just click on this don't have an account. And then after you have done that, you can just head over and sign in to Webflow. So let me just sign in with my Google account for a while. So once you have signed in here, they will ask for your name. So in here, I'll just put in here how to. And then I'll put in here videos. And then click on continue. And then it will ask you what you want to build websites for. So for this one, let's choose ourselves. Click on continue, and it will ask if you're a student, so I'll click no and click on continue, and it will ask what type of site you're looking to build. So since we're looking at infinite carousel loop, let's head over and create a blog. Now click on continue, and if you're interested in hiring someone, let's choose don't know yet and finish this one. So once you have done that, this will actually redirect you to the Webflow creation basic layouts. So what you can do is you can just wait for this right here to finish the loading process, and then from in here you should be able to see the actual website editor of Webflow from in here. So this is that, and you can see that you can build a simple layout and you can get started with Webflow tutorial about this. So let's exit the tutorial because you don't want it. Now in here, it will actually load again into your workspace or into the new site that you have. So in here, you can start a blank site or a template. So for this one, let's head back to the infinite carousel loop that we have earlier. So let's click on this infinite carousel loop. And then let's click on that particular link again. And then from in here, once you have signed in, click on this clone in Webflow. And then once you have clicked on it, it will redirect you to this particular site that you can clone. So this right here will allow you to clone the site that has been made on that particular area, wherein you can actually just use it for your own good. But make sure to also credit the one that has coded and made it. So for this one, you can actually edit it out however you want. You can change the actual layout and all the logos that we'll have right here. So I have successfully cloned the website that we are talking about earlier, and you can see in here this one. So you can click on this and you can actually edit it out however you want. So for example, for this, let's name this on our website. And then you can also edit this particular thing right here if you want to edit it out according to your want. So for example, let's name it video tutorials for you. And you can see that you have also in here this HTML embed. You can actually head over and then use it as well. Now you can see this clone it button. You can actually just remove it if you want to as well. Now in here, you can see in here your actual website or this infinite loop carousel. So you can have this one. You can see that this one are actually images, and you can actually delete them however you want. So let's just click on this logo container right here. So what you can do is you can click on this picture icon right here, which is actually serves as the assets. When you click on that, you can see all the assets that you have on your actual cloud. So these logos right here are actually assets of this. So what you can do is you can actually upload the assets that you have. So let's head over and you can actually create new folder, or you can upload few things from your computer or from your document. So what you can do is you can actually upload some things right here by clicking on this upload button. and then it will open this one. So let me just select some few more things that I would like added to this. So I'll add more pictures since it's actually a carousel loop, and I'll add those 5 right here. So as you can see, they're actually uploading right here, and once they're done uploading, you can actually just replace this particular image into that. So let's click on this image right here, and then you can see in here some few more options, like for example the settings. You can click on this replace image right here in order to replace them. So for this one, let's replace that with this thing, and let's also click on this one. You can see this gear icon. Now click on this, and let's try also replace this image using this one. Now let's also replace this, and click on this replace image, and then just choose the picture that you want to replace. And also this one, let's also use it on this one, and click on this replace image. Let's choose this, and let's also change this one right here. Click on replace and click on this one. So on some cases, as you can see, it has been added. So these images right here are just placeholder images. Don't worry, because you can actually add any logo that you want for this one. So the good thing about this template is you don't need to code, or you don't need to format the animations or anything anymore with this. This is because it's already been done by the one who's actually made it. Now I want you to set eyes on this particular interactions right here. So let's click on this interactions. And then from in there, you should see this element trigger. So as you can see, the page trigger has right here this infinite loop, as well as this infinite loop double. So when you click on it, you can actually change what you want it to be. So this is what it looks like right now. You don't need to change it anymore because it's already programmed like this when you copy the template. So you can also change it up if you want anything to do with this one. So once you're done with that, you can head over and scroll down, and you can head over and then just try to edit out the page however you want it to be. You also have this particular thing to have right here, and also all of these things that you have as well. So you can also choose this stack carousel, and you can change that however you want. So once you're done with that, next thing you need to do is just head over and click on this publish right here, and you should be able to publish this site. So click on this publish to selected domains, and as you can see, publishing is in progress. So as you can see, it's been published a few seconds ago, and you can actually click on this link right here in order to be redirected to the site that you have created. So once you have done that, as you can see, this is our actual loop, and this is what it looks like. It changed just like this. It's actually really easy to see, and you can see that we have in here the infinite carousel loop again. So in here, you can also share this to people that you want to actually help you edit this site if you want. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below, and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!